Hi, I am Siddhartha Hajra, a karateka from Gujarat. Above all, I am a citizen of India and I have been given the project to express my views on Independence Day. So here I will be expressing my views. This year, we will be celebrating our 76th Independence Day on 15th August. On 1947, our nation got independence, and on the midnight of 14th August, 12:01 am, PM Pandit Nehru declared that our nation got its independence. For this independence, Indians have fought over 200 years against the East India Company, then against the British Empire. Over millions of lives have been taken over in this battle of independence, rather to say they have been shaheed. So here I am to tell something about independence. First of all, I want to ask everyone, what is independence in its true nature? What is independence to all of you? According to me, independence is something which is not achieved or which is not celebrated. Independence is something which should be in our human rights. Like, I want to say that independence is a thing that is the basic right of all humans. You should be independent in a very nature. You should be independent from bad things like from bad mentality, orthodoxy, corruption, etc. But in our nation, from day-to-day life, going to the newspapers, the news channels, we can see that in our nation it is filled with corruption, rape cases, murders, etc., robbery, and many more to say. So are we truly independent in a true sense? Communalism is a very major problem in India. The communities, I will not take the name, many communities are fighting over some silly topics, and in these conflicts, our public properties, our government, and all the middle class men and citizens of India are facing problems. So are we truly independent? The independence which have been brought to us by the Shaheeds like Netaji, Gandhiji, Khudiram Bosu, and many more. There will be an endless list if I take all of their names. So I don't think they will be happy if they see this independence that we are celebrating. To many Indians, I would say Independence Day is a day of national holiday. They used to go on bike rallies. They used to take feasts, picnics. Okay, they used to host their tricolor flag, Tiranga, on this very day. But doing this on only 15th of August, does truly represent that we are independent? No, I don't think so. Independence Day can be celebrated 365 days in a year, but we are celebrating it on only 15th of August. But not in true sense. We are celebrating like it's a national holiday. No, it's not a national holiday. It's a day for which over 200 years many Indians have fought. Many mothers have sent their child to the battlefield where they have been shaheed because of this independence. Many families have been broken. We all know the Lahore incident. From both the sides, Pakistan and India, many citizens got killed in the very incident. So we are not truly independent. According to me, independence is something that is freedom of mind, freedom of speech, and freedom from other bad things like orthodoxy, communalism, etc. In our constitution, it is written that our country is sovereign, secular, socialist, republic, and democratic, and it is parliamentary. I don't think our country is democratic. I don't think our country is secular. I don't think our country is parliamentary in true sense. We have parliament like Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. We have the terms like secularism, democratic. India is the largest democratic nation in this world. But I don't think that India is truly democratic. So on this very note, I want to say that don't celebrate Independence Day like celebrating a national holiday. Celebrate it by following your duties, following your rights, be true to the constitution, be true to our nation, and be a faithful son of our motherland. So, happy Independence Day to all. Thank you.